When it comes to seafood, many people gravitate toward popular choices like salmon, tuna, or shrimp, often overlooking the little anchovy. However, these small fish pack a powerful punch in terms of health benefits, making them worthy of a spot in your diet. Let's dive into why anchovies should be celebrated as a superfood, and how they can enhance your health. Nutritional powerhouse anchovies are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. These fatty acids help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Just a small serving of anchovies can provide a significant boost in omega-3 intake, making them an excellent choice for those looking to improve cardiovascular health. In addition to omega-3s, anchovies are a fantastic source of protein. A 100-gram serving can provide around 29 grams of protein, which is essential for muscle growth, repair, and overall bodily functions. For individuals engaged in physical activities, or those looking to maintain a healthy weight, anchovies can be a great addition to a balanced diet. Packed with vitamins and minerals, anchovies are also a treasure trove of vitamins and minerals. They are particularly high in vitamin B12, which is crucial for nerve function and the production of DNA and red blood cells. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to fatigue, weakness, and neurological issues, so incorporating anchovies into your diet can help prevent these problems. Moreover, these little fish are rich in calcium and selenium. Calcium is vital for bone health, while selenium is an antioxidant that helps protect your body from oxidative stress. This combination of nutrients makes anchovies an excellent choice for maintaining strong bones and overall health. Supporting mental health, the benefits of anchovies extend beyond physical health. They also play a role in mental well-being. The omega-3 fatty acids found in anchovies are known to support brain health and may help reduce the risk of cognitive decline as we age. Studies have suggested that a diet rich in omega-3s can improve mood and may even help alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. By enjoying anchovies regularly, you could be taking a step toward better mental health. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. Anchovies possess anti-inflammatory properties due to their high omega-3 content and the presence of other compounds like astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant. Including anchovies in your diet may help combat inflammation, promoting overall health and longevity. Culinary versatility. One of the best aspects of anchovies is their culinary versatility. They can be enjoyed in various ways, whether as a topping on pizza, blended into pasta sauces, or added to salads. Their unique flavor enhances dishes and can even replace salt in recipes, offering a healthier alternative to processed seasonings. Conclusion. In conclusion, anchovies are a small but mighty superfood that deserves recognition for their incredible health benefits. From promoting heart health and providing essential nutrients to supporting mental well-being and fighting inflammation, anchovies can be an excellent addition to a balanced diet. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't overlook these little fish. Embrace their nutritional power and enjoy the various ways they can enhance your meals and health. By doing so, you'll not only savor their unique taste, but also take significant steps toward a healthier lifestyle.